my room. Let me just leave it. Step number 4 is folding my clothes. All of the clothes I haven't folded. Even the one that's already folded, I didn't think I folded them properly. So, the wardrobe area, let me just put it somewhere like okay. Ta-da! Look at my wardrobe. I'm not folding my socks area because that took so long. But I didn't make a video that time. So here we go. I'm trying to be quick anyway, so you won't waste your time watching this. What? Is this my fan was on? I even forgot to off it. Nope. I even forgot how to fold my trousers. Yeah, getting it. Great. This is all pajamas, so fold them. Wait, it's on the floor. We got this. Okay, let me just try and be quick, mommy. So let me just organize this thing. Yes, so we're gonna steal some of them so you can fill it up. Wait, this one's being folded nicely. So that was the one I wear yesterday. I did not wear it yesterday actually. Don't remember when I folded that one. This is my trouser. Don't wear trousers off from the outside anyway. I love wearing skirts a lot. Skirts are my favorite thing I love to wear. And Nika is my favorite thing I love to wear as well. These are my two favorite. With long sleeve. No, not turtleneck. It's long sleeve. Okay, so the first long sleeve. This what long sleeve is like this, like it crossing. Something like this is like crossing his arm. Yeah. I actually, this is the one I was thinking about going to wear tomorrow. Okay, so next level, this level. Oh my goshy, oh my goshy. Why are you rushing? What?
Nothing. Zip me up and I'll help you. I will be quick.
Yeah. I'm going to do all of them.
I know.
Wait, how is it so hard?
Are you doing it?
No. I'm struggling. Maybe Daddy is stronger.
That is not here now.
But I cannot sip it.
You can't?
No, it's too tough. But it's not in the back.
This is not your size anymore. What do you do with it?
Give it up.
Yeah.
My tool.
Nice. This one is 90 as well. 90.
I don't think you're doing it that sensibly.
This is dirty.
No, you even forgot to. These ones.
It's nice and smelly.
Is when we want red. Mommy, why do you keep this stuck? The drama in. How can you do that?
Nice.
So guys, Mommy and me has figured out what to do. So let's just close the drawer. What? I was going to do a pattern.
That's the better one. The other one will just be sliding. You don't want that.
Yeah, this.
So your room is clean.
Yeah, exactly clean.
Sparkling clean and organized.
I want to do something.
You guys see our room? Oh, see her room.
This. To make my room so clean. Wait.
Nice.
Done.
Good girl.
Then perfume on my bed. Perfume on my bed. How to put perfume? Okay, so then. Wait.
So that your bed will smell fresh.
Yeah. I'm gonna do around like this. Then I'll pull my bed. Wait, where is it?
Nice. That's enough.
Yeah, enough. Then once you've done that, you have to rub it so it gets everywhere. We're done and the sparkling clean princess room is done. Bye, see you next time.